What's up, everyone? Today we're diving deep into the ultimate style guide for 2026. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to level up your wardrobe, I'm sharing 15 game-changing style tips that actually work. These aren't just trends. These are timeless principles that will transform how you look and feel. Let's get started. Let me start with the most important rule in fashion: fit beats brand every single time. A $20 shirt that fits perfectly looks better than a $200 designer piece that doesn't. Know your measurements: chest, waist, inseam, shoulder width. Tailoring is your secret weapon. Hem pants, take in shirts, adjust sleeves. Common fit mistakes: baggy shoulders, pants too long, sleeves past your thumb. Invest in a good tailor. It's cheaper than buying new clothes and makes everything look custom made. Tip 2. Build a capsule wardrobe. Stop buying random pieces and start building a wardrobe that works together. Essential pieces for everyone: 3-4 well-fitted solid color t-shirts, white, black, gray, navy. 2 pairs of quality jeans, 1 dark wash, 1 medium. 1 pair of chinos or dress pants. White sneakers or clean leather shoes. A versatile jacket, denim, leather, or blazer. Quality basics in neutral colors. Why this works: everything mixes and matches. You can create 20 outfits from 10 pieces. Reduces decision fatigue. Quality over quantity approach. Think of your wardrobe like a formula. Once you have the basics, adding personality becomes easy. Tip 3. Master the color wheel. Understanding color coordination instantly makes you look more put together. Basic color rules: monochromatic, different shades of same color, very sophisticated. Complementary, colors opposite on color wheel, blue, orange, red, green. Analogous, colors next to each other, blue, green, teal. Neutral base plus 1 accent, safest bet for beginners. Easy formulas: all black, gray, white with 1 pop of color. Navy plus tan camel classic combo. Earth tones together: olive, brown, cream, rust. Avoid more than 3 colors in one outfit. Tip 1. Invest in quality shoes. People notice shoes more than you think. They can elevate or destroy an outfit. Must-have shoes: white sneakers, clean, minimalist, goes with everything. Leather dress shoes, brown or black Oxfords, loafers. Boots, Chelsea or work boots, adds edge. Comfortable everyday shoe, your go-to for running errands. Care tips: clean regularly, use shoe trees. Rotate shoes, don't wear same pair daily. Invest in quality, they last longer and look better. Match formality: sneakers with casual, leather with dressy. Your shoes should be clean, in good condition, and appropriate for the occasion. That's it. Tip 5. Accessorize strategically. Accessories are the difference between nice outfit and wow, you look great. Essential accessories: watches. 1 versatile piece, leather strap or metal. Doesn't need to be expensive, just clean and simple. Match metals if wearing gold jewelry, gold warm watch. Belts. Match your shoes, brown belt, brown shoes. Simple, quality leather. Not too wide or flashy. Minimal jewelry. Less is more, 1 statement piece at a time. Simple chain or rings. Avoid overdoing it. Bags. Quality leather backpack or messenger bag. Crossbody for casual. Avoid beat-up bags. 1 good accessory is better than 5 cheap ones. Tip 6. Understand dress codes. Knowing what to wear when shows social intelligence. Quick guide: casual, jeans, t-shirt, sneakers. Smart casual, chinos, button-up, loafers or clean sneakers. Business casual, dress pants, blazer, no tie needed. Business formal, full suit, tie, dress shoes. Black tie, tuxedo. Common mistakes: overdressing stands out as much as underdressing. When in doubt, slightly overdress. Research venue, event beforehand. Ask the host if unsure. Tip 7. Layer like a pro. Layering adds depth, interest, and practicality to any outfit. Layering formula: Base layer, t-shirt or button-up. Middle layer, sweater, cardigan or hoodie. Outer layer, jacket or coat. Tips. Vary lengths, longer inner layers create visual interest. Mix textures, cotton plus denim plus leather. Keep colors cohesive. Each layer should be visible. Don't overbulk. Maintain silhouette. Seasonal examples. Spring, tee plus light jacket. Fall tee plus cardigan plus coat. Winter, shirt, sweater, overcoat. Tip 8. Groom properly. Style isn't just clothes. Grooming completes the look. Non-negotiables. Hair, clean styled, regular cuts. Facial hair, groomed and intentional or clean shaven. Nails, clean and trimmed. Skincare, basic routine cleanser, moisturizer, SPF. Fragrance, light application, quality over quantity. Dental hygiene, white teeth, fresh breath. You can have the best outfit, but poor grooming ruins everything. Take care of yourself. Tip 9. Dress for your body type. Understanding your body shape helps you choose flattering pieces. General guidelines. Slim build. Add visual weight with layers. Horizontal stripes. Lighter colors. Structured jackets. Athletic build, bite. Showcase proportions. Fitted clothing. V-necks elongate. Tapered pants. Larger build. Darker colors slim. Vertical lines elongate. Proper fit, not too tight or baggy. Structured pieces. Avoid overly loose clothing. Short stature. Monochromatic outfits. Higher rise pants. Shorter jackets. Vertical patterns. Tall stature. Horizontal details work. Can pull off oversized. Break up proportions with layers. Work with your body, not against it. Develop your signature style. Once you know the rules, you can break them intentionally. Finding your style. Create Pinterest, Instagram boards of looks you love. Identify common themes, colors, silhouettes, vibes. Try different styles, experiment. Consider your lifestyle and needs. Don't force trends that don't fit you. Popular style archetypes. Minimalist, clean, simple, neutral. Streetwear, urban, casual, statement pieces. Classic, timeless, tailored, sophisticated. Bohemian, relaxed, artistic, layered. Preppy, polished, traditional, collegiate. Your style should feel authentic to who you are. Tip 11. Smart shopping strategies. How to build a great wardrobe without going broke. Shopping tips. Quality indicators. Stitching, fabric weight, hardware. Cost per wear. Expensive basics can be worth it. Shop off-season. Buy winter clothes in spring. Thrift stores. Hidden gems for unique pieces. Online sales. Sign up for newsletters. Use Honey extension. Avoid impulse. Wait 24 hours before buying. Red flags. Flimsy fabric. Poor stitching. Weird fits in multiple sizes. Items you can't style 3 ways. Buy less, choose well, make it last. Tip 12. Confidence is key. The best thing you can wear is confidence. Mindset tips. Stand tall with good posture. It instantly makes any outfit look sharper. Be proud of your style choices. Dress in a way that makes you feel great. The more you wear your favorite outfits, the more natural they feel. Snap quick photos of your looks to see what you like best. Smile and say thank you when someone compliments you. Confidence turns a good outfit into a great one. When you feel good, it shows. Tip: social media isn't real life. Don't compare your daily wardrobe to someone else's curated photos. Reality check. Many online photos use professional lighting, styling, and editing. In everyday life, people happily wear their favorite pieces again and again. Comfort and practicality are important for real days. You don't need something new to wear every single day. Versatile, reliable basics serve you better than short-lived trends. Focus on building a wardrobe that works perfectly for your actual lifestyle. Tip 14. Maintain your clothes. Great style requires upkeep. Care instructions. Red washing labels. Hang dry when possible. Iron steam wrinkled items. Shoe trees for leather shoes. Lint roll regularly. Stain treat immediately. Store properly folded knits, hung shirts. A $50 shirt that's well maintained looks better than a $200 shirt that's wrinkled and stained. Tip 15. Break the rules intentionally. Now that you know the rules, break them with purpose. Fashion rules meant to be broken. No white after Labor Day, outdated. Black and navy together actually works great. Matching metals mix if done right. Socks must match pants. Fun socks are personality. Style is personal. Use these tips as guidelines. There you have it, 15 style tips that will genuinely transform your look. Remember, style is a journey, not a destination. Start with the basics. Experiment and find what makes you feel confident. Which tip resonated most with you? Drop a comment below. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more style content. See you in the next video.